Hi people, welcome to Ankita's Glam World. So first of all, I would like to thank everybody who subscribed my channel, liked, comment and shared my previous tutorials. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for investing your time to know something better and to learn something new. So thank you so much for that. And the ones who have still not subscribed my channel, please do it. I'll keep posting such amazing tutorials on makeup as well as others. So here is another tutorial. This is not on makeup this time. So I have got requests like, we have done with the makeup, then you think that now what to do with your hair. So the first thing which comes in your mind is like, let's straighten our hair. The first thing, like if you have a straightening machine or if you like straight hair, then you would first think that let's straighten our hair. So I'm going to show you simple steps where you can straighten your own hair. So here we go, let's start. So what all you need to keep ready before you start your hair straightening? तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले like we will have to have a comb, any comb, okay. Then you have to keep ready any clip, a normal hair clip which is there. Next you need is a hair serum. So here I'm going to use a hair serum which is a homemade hair serum. It's in a spray bottle. So this is a serum which is made out of like after combining 2 to 3 ingredients. So soon I'll be sharing a tutorial with y'all on how to make a hair serum at home and how nicely you can use those hair serum. Next you need is of course the straightening machine. So I have different types of straightening machine with me. So the first is the Philips Kerashine straightener. This is a affordable straightening machine and it is for a personal use, so you can very well use it. But the only thing is like you have to, it's better if you go there and check it on your hair before buying it. Obviously it applies for each and every straightener which is available in the market. Next is a Torlin, I don't know whether you all can see, it's Torlin straightener. This is also easily available in the market. Next I have is from D-Diva. This is also a hair straightener which the thickness is little more in this. Next, these are all easily available in the market. You can go and check it and then buy it. Next we have one straightening machine, that is Princess Type 5231. This is from Dubai. It was a gift from someone, okay, who had got us a nice straightening machine. Next you need to keep ready a nice styling hairspray. So here today I have a Oriflame Hair Supreme Hold Styling Hairspray. Any hairspray you can use, many are available in the market. So this has to be used after your hair straightening is complete to give a nice finish to your hair. Next, if needed, you will need a shine spray. This is from Toni and Guy. You can use any shine spray if needed. So take a comb and divide your hair into 2 portions. You have to do a middle partition properly and then divide your hair into 2 parts. So you'll get an idea further on how to do it. So here I have divided, this is the first and this is the second portion. So any side of your hair you have to tie the one portion, whichever you don't want to start first. So take the clip and just tie that portion so it doesn't come in between. Next portion on which you want to do the straightening, just properly comb your hair and take a small strand of your hair. After combing it, just take a small strand from below. And then you can tie the rest of your hair. You can take any clip in that case and you can just tie it. So that it doesn't come in middle. Next, you take some serum in your hand and apply it properly on the strand which you have taken. So if you want to avoid this step every time, then you can apply the serum over whole portion and then you can start with the straightening. So here I'm combing the hair after application of the serum. Then you take the straightener, and so now here the straightener will be hot. So in this case, if you don't have a clip, like few straighteners come with a clip ahead, so if you don't have it, you can take a cloth, okay, just to press it. You can take the cloth. So again, okay, so here I am going to use a cloth. So nicely you have to press it. This cloth will also ensure proper pressing of the straightener on your hair. You can see a nice shine has come. So then you have to take another strand of your hair. So these portions depend on how curly or how your hairs are. So if you have more curly hair, it will take more time. If you have less, it will take less time. So again, I'm applying a serum, and as I told you that to avoid this at every step, you can apply it at once only before starting the straightening. So again, I'm doing the same way with the second strand. Okay, make sure that you take the straightener till the tip of your hair to ensure a proper straight hair. You can easily do it with practice, but make sure that you be very careful while using this. Here in this case the voltage is around 230. So similarly I am doing the rest of my hair of the first portion. So it depends on how curly or how straight your hair is. You have to keep it, place your hair in the center of the straightener plate. These are the front small hair which I'm doing now. Try to take it from the root of the hair, and while doing this, please do take care of your hair, of your forehead, your ear. So nicely the first portion is done, and you can see the difference. Similarly, going ahead with the second portion. So I hope you enjoyed this. So how is this look? Just let me know in your comments. And I would like to specify one thing, that while using straightener, if you all have kids around you all, please do take care. Don't let them come near the hair straightener, okay? And secondly, like if you have curly hair, a lot of curly hairs, so I would suggest that you go for professional straighteners, the hair straighteners. So those are easily available in the market, and they have different voltages. So they are available in different price ranges starting from 1000 to 10,000. So it's always advisable to go there, try it out, and then buy it. Okay, do take care of yourself. Thank you for watching us, and stay tuned for our next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.